guys, so in this particular video you are going to learn about the calculator example. That means how the calculator example will behave. That means we are going to design a simple calculator using Android, where you need to enter the first number in this particular text field and the second number in the second text field, and these are some buttons you can see: add, subtract, multiplication and division. So depending upon whatever the button you are clicking, the result is going to be displayed in the corresponding result field. In the background also you can see in the whiteboard the corresponding design is also drawn in the whiteboard. Okay, so the question is, what are the things then we are going to learn in this particular example? So we will be doing this particular example, but we will be learning what is get text, because this is the text which we will be getting. First of all, that is the first thing, and then second thing is that set text, because we will be, after getting the text, we will do some addition and we will set into the set text. Okay, and third thing is that event handling. That means that is the event handling, right? So because you are going to implement the on-click event. Whenever you are clicking add, then just get text of this particular two text field, first number and second number, and just add it, and the result must be stored in the result set or maybe in the result text field. So this is the third one, that is event handling or event handling. So these are the basic things that is expected to be learned in this particular example. So let's first draw so this is the drawing part. That means this we are going to draw in using the UI file, and the adding and subtraction and the event handling part we are going to write in the business logics. So let's go ahead and jump into the Android Studio and start our example. Okay, so I have already just created the sample project, so you can just go ahead and go file, new, and new project. Give this particular example name. Any name should be fine, but give as a calculator demo or something like that, something like that. Okay, you can give any name actually, but just for convenience, calculator demo. Just click on next. Just take the empty activity, next, and then finish. Okay, so after that you are going to see two files. One is main-activity.xml, one is main-activity.java. Activity main.xml and main-activity.java. So in the activity_main.xml there will be only one text view by default, that is the default text view, which will have the content hello world. Okay, so our objective is very clear. Let's create a text view. So what are the things we are going to create? One is first of all text view, two text view. Okay, so and then two edit text. So this is nothing but edit text, not two text view, actually three text view, 1 2 3. Okay, and then three edit text. Okay, and four buttons. Okay, that is the four buttons. And you will also learn another thing actually, multiple layouts. So I think you must be able to understand how you need to arrange this particular thing. So that is very important thing. Okay, so let me do it so that you will understand what I am trying to do it. Horizontal and vertical layout. That will be the combination of these two layout. Okay, so I have taken this one as linear layout. I have just changed it, and orientation as vertical. That means everything is going to be placed down to down. Hello world, again something. Okay, so don't make it as hello world. Make this particular first text field is what I think we know. First is first number, right? So make this particular text, not text field, maybe text view, first number. Okay, colon. Okay, it is not visible properly, so let's make it as what is the attribute? I think you remember, text size. So make it 20 dp. Okay, so that it is visible properly. If you want to take some color, text color, so that's also fine. So you can give any color, suppose accent. Okay, and make it do both the things as wrap parent. Okay, so that's okay. So now first name is ready. Then up side to that, then again what we need, again we need a edit text, right, to enter the first name. So just take a edit text. Okay, edit text, wrap content, and this is also wrap content. Maybe you can add a hints. If you remember what is the value of hints. Enter first number. This is the hints. So okay, so if you run this particular application, but our design says that this should have been present in the same line, but if according to our current design, you see fast number is coming above and enter the fast name is coming down. So that's why I will take another linear layout in which I will make the orientation are horizontal and we will put these two components inside that. So how I will do it? So what I want to embed these two things inside a layout and make it as horizontal, not vertical, because overall it is vertical, right? If you see linear layout, overall horizontal layout orientation is vertical, right? So I will show you so how you will do. So take a linear layout, another linear layout, okay, and yeah, take a linear layout and just ending tag you need to copy it from here, actually not copy, cut it and just end it here, okay. So just end it here, okay, and just to make sure that you must write the orientation, or if you don't write also that's also fine, but it is going to take default horizontal. So now you see fast number is coming here, enter the fast number, so that particular edit text is coming. So if you run this particular application, it will take some time, but that's fine. So that means we are ready with our fast line, that means fast number with a edit text. So what we need to do, we need to design the similar pattern for the second number. So let's do what the, should I copy it? Okay, let's copy from where? The complete, copy the complete layout also, linear layout, text view, edit text. So I am going to copy paste this particular thing here, okay. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to do it, okay. If you don't want, you may create, otherwise let's create another linear layout, okay. So inside this particular linear layout, let's add this particular orientation. I'm not copy pasting now, I'm just writing for better understanding since it is running, okay. So since it is running, actually it is a little bit hanging, okay. So inside this I will take two things, one is text view, okay, text view. I will make it wrap content, and this one is also wrap content, and I will add text, okay. Text as what? Text as second number, okay, second number. So now we are ready with this. So we need to take what again? Then we need to take a edit text, right? Edit text. So edit text, do it as, so do it as wrap content, okay. So wrap content, okay. So then if you want to give some hints, just give the hints as enter second number, okay. Hints to enter second number, okay, second number. So I think now we are ready. If you'll see, so let me make this particular same color, text color also, text color as same thing, that is accent, okay. So color as accent. So you see fast number, enter the fast number. This is fast number, this is the edit text which is having hints like enter the fast number, and here it is second number, enter the second number as the hints in the particular text field, or edit text you can say also, okay. I think it has run the program. Let's see what is happening. Yeah, you see fast number, enter the fast number, you can enter something, okay. So this is coming, okay. And yeah, so now I think we are ready. So we are ready with our these two second design also. Let's go for the third design, that is result and another text field. So I hope now you have understood about this. So let me copy this, paste is the complete linear layout, and make it as this one as not second number, rather let's make it as result, okay. This should be fine, and hints is okay, result is, so it is going to show like this, okay. So this is how the UI will look like. If I'll run quickly, let me run it, okay. So but our partial we have completed partially because we need to create 4 buttons, right? So let's create the 4 buttons now outside this particular linear layout. Maybe I need to take a, because this is I am taking in a same row, right? Or let's take in the multiple row, so that way also it will look good. So let's take button, okay. So let's width you make it as actually match parent, okay. But this one do a wrap content, so give a text as anything, but suppose add, okay. So since we are taking 4 buttons, let me copy this button, let me paste it for 4 times, okay. One is add, one is subtraction, one is multiplication, one is division, okay. so division. Okay, so I think we are almost done with here. So let me increase a little bit font size of all these things so that you'll able to see it properly. Text size maybe, okay, in the every text view, so that it will be visible to you betterly. Okay, I think now you can see it a little bit more prominently, but that's fine. I think it has already run. Let's see first number, second number, and the result. Okay, these are the hints. You can see this is the just hints. Okay, so I think we have not run after the button is created. So the button is now created. So now what we have done, we have done with the designing part. So we are done with this particular designing, but that is not the sufficient, right? What we need to do, we need to retrieve this first number and the second number, and depending upon the which button is clicked, depending upon that we need to, suppose add button is clicked, we need to add this first two number and then just show the result to the in the result field. Okay, so let's first create. So since we are, just tell me, since we are retrieving the value of edit text 1, edit text 2, and the result also we are not going to set text, so and the button, so we must give some ID to this particular edit text, otherwise we will not able to retrieve the value. So that's why you need to give the value to the edit text. Okay, so let's go ahead and just click on this particular edit text. So just see, so this is the edit text. Okay, so enter the first number. So what I will do, so I will add a ID. So this is just suppose edit text first number. I will give it first number. So some ID, you can give any name actually. Okay, but I am just giving for convenience only. Okay, so the same thing will also give to the second number, right? We'll give to the second number. Okay, so but this time give the not ID as the text second number. Okay, second number. So now I think we are good. So edit text, why it is giving some error, suggest edit text second number. So okay, edit text second number, let me remove it. I don't know why it is giving error, so let's write it again. Okay, so that ID is missing. Okay, ID slash edit text second number. Just 1 second. Control Z. Okay, so this should be the format, right? @ID. How come it? Okay, so that's why it is also giving the error here. ID slash. Okay, so now it should not give an error. Okay, so this is the second edit text. Okay, and then edit text 3 is there, right? Also ID equal to ID slash second number. This is the result. Maybe what we can do, edit text, I can give a name as result. Okay, so you can give any name, but that's fine. And also we need to give the ID to buttons also. ID equal to ID slash button add btn add, suppose. Then copy this particular line and I will just add here, paste, and I will make it as sub, means for subtraction. And I will do what I will do, sorry, I missed a double quote here, that's why it is giving the error. Okay, so yeah, that was the issue. So and then put it here also, multiplication. Oh, I removed the text, sorry about that. Multiplication, and I have given the R, and here you need to put as Control V, and this is as division. Okay, so now I think we are done with this particular, what we have done till now. We have designed this particular all this particular UI component, and we have given the ID for this edit text, and this edit text, and 4 buttons as well. So what we need to do in the Java class, we need to retrieve this value, first number, second number, and whatever the depending upon the button I have clicked. Let me first show you the only add button. After that I think it is a similar procedure. Let's focus on the add. So if I click on add button, then 2 numbers must be added and displayed in this particular result field. So that is the main objective of this particular example. So let's create first. Then what are the objects you need to create? Tell me. First is this one, first number, means edit text 1, edit text 2, and then result, and then object of the button. So there are 4 things you need actually. So edit text, edit text, maybe first number comma second number comma result. You can give any name. Okay, so that much we need only, right? And buttons, button btn underscore, or maybe you can give any name actually, but let me give only take one button. We'll take all the buttons actually. We need to take button, add, subtract and all these things, but I am just for currently for the timing I'm just doing it here. Now let's create the object of this particular edit text, all of the edit text. So so which method is responsible for creating the object? Find view by id. It is getting the value from where? r.id dot what is the first number? First number is nothing but which one? Edit text first number, right? So this is the word, but this will return the view, right? You need to typecast. This one to edit text. Okay, edit text. So it is like this only. Okay, I think it should, yeah. So similarly you should do it for also second number. Okay, second number, let the suggestion come. Okay, and you need to typecast to edit text, and you need to do it find element by id. Okay, r.id dot edit text result, edit text, no, second number. Let's see whether there is a id is present or not for second number. Let's see, and what is the id for this second number. Okay, so let's see the second number, edit text second number, edit text. Oh, okay, we have not changed it. Edit text first number, you should have changed this one to edit text second number, right? Edit text second number, because this is second number, right? Yes, because see corresponding, yeah, second number. Okay, so that's why it was not giving the hints like that. So now if you'll go here, edit text second number. Okay, so now it is giving the error here. So I think we have not taken the proper. Okay, so let me do one thing. First number. Okay, so what it is telling, let me remove this line actually. Let me write it 1 second. id slash edit text first number. Okay, so this is the id. Okay, so let me copy it, the first number. This was some writing issue maybe. Okay, so now I think it should go on. Okay, so we have created the object of these two edit text. So now we need to do what? We need to create the object of the result. Okay, so this result, I think it will be also in the similar fashion. Let me do it quickly. Okay, so I think you can do it, no problem. There is a semicolon missing in this line, and just semicolon, and this will be id of edit text result, right? Not the first or second number. Okay, so I think we are done. So now we need to create the object of the button, btnr. Okay, so btnr equal to, we need to do in the similar fashion also, button, typecast to button, and find element by id, r.id dot btn underscore add, or btnr. So I think we have created the object of this. So we need to do one thing. We need to string first number first equal to. So what you need to do, from the first number you need to do the get text. Okay, dot get text. There is a get text. First number is field is there, right? So you need to retrieve the value from this particular edit text. So first number dot get text dot toString. Okay, dot toString. Okay, so this is the thing, but it must be an integer, right? You can do one thing, you can put it a integer actually, because you are doing a, but this is going to return a string, right? So how you do? So integer dot parseInt, right? Dot parseInt. So I think you know how to typecast a string variable to a integer, right? So this is how we do it. This we have done it for first one. Let's do it for the second one, second number. Okay, integer second, and here it will be the second number. Okay, second number. Okay, so I think we have got the data of first number and second number. Whenever somebody is clicking the button, then we must be able to add it. So we know how to do a event, register a event for this particular thing. btn.onclick listener, onclick listener, just click enter, just type onclick, just click enter, just new v, if you type it, so this is going to give you the onclick listener object. So where it is overriding the onclick method. So where what you need to do, so result int result equal to result equal to int result equal to, so first plus second, right? Just put in this way. So you are just adding this particular number if somebody is clicking the btn add button, right? And you need to do one more thing, you need to set the text, but where? In the result.